Hello and welcome back to the Road to Good Cooking, and happy holidays to you. I posted on my community page as to why I've been missing in action. I'm having some issues with a tooth that I've been dealing with for the last couple of months, and I tell you what, I feel like I've been in a fight and I lost. My jaw is killing me, and it has been killing me forever. So I will get it fixed, but I have to wait till my new insurance kicks in January 1st, and I tell you what, I will be the first one knocking on the dentist's door January 1st. So I have I have an apple peeler core thingamabob, and it's in my storeroom somewhere, but I'll dig it out the next time I make applesauce. But for now, I'm just going to sit here in peace. I'm going to put on some smooth jazz like I always do, mute the sound, and I won't be doing much talking in this video after this. So I just wanted to kind of touch base with you guys and let you know what's going on with me. And I hope you are all doing fine, and I hope that you are all remembering the reason for the season. It's not all about shopping and the hustle and bustle of being in the shopping centers, spending way too much money. Just remember the reason for the season. And that's all I'm going to say because my jaw hurts. So see, I'm going to spare you guys the lecture this time. All right, so I will be back in and out. Like I said, I won't be doing much talking because I tell you what, my jaw is killing me. This is the time of year where Esther and Chester, they're very uncooperative. And for those of you that are new to my channel, and if you hear me refer to Esther and Chester, Esther is my surgical knee that I had total knee replacement surgery in 2019. And Chester is the other knee. And sometimes they both kind of get in their feelings and they want to just make it difficult on me. And this is a time of year where they both act up. And every year I threaten them. I said, you know what, I'm going to trade you both in for new knees. No, I'm not. I'm just going to fuss and carry on. All right, so let me put on some nice Christmas music for you all and get you in the spirit. And don't forget what I said. Remember the reason for the season. I got my Johnny Applesauce Maker all set up. Took me a minute because I forgot how to do it. But I'm going to load up all the apples there. It's going to come out, the discard is going to come out there, and the applesauce is going to go over there. And let me show you what my apples look like. I let them cook real slow for about 30 minutes or so. 30-45 minutes while I was getting set up. And here they are, nice and soft, and they smell wonderful already. Okay, let me get started. Okay, I got my applesauce on the stove warming up, and I'm just going to leave it on there for long enough for me to, clean up my kitchen and get reorganized. I got my jars are heating up in the canner here. I got my canner set for water bath on for 20 minutes, and I am so glad I had something to do today, because I would have driven myself absolutely crazy today. So this project kept me busy all day. I have one other project that I need to start. I'll probably start on that one maybe the middle of the week or the end of the week or something like that. But I got my carrots canned. Let's see, what else did I do? I got my apple pie done. And you haven't seen this one. Let me show you this. Hang on. Okay, I got my discard. This is going to go in the freezer, so the next time I make apple cider vinegar, I'll start with these. I didn't want to put it in this because I'd already started this batch, and it smells like apple cider vinegar already. And I stir it up every single day, and then put the bonnet back on and set it back on the countertop. All right, let me get my mess cleaned up. And see, if you guys love me, somebody would come over and clean up my kitchen. I always make a mess. I mean, you can't make applesauce and not make a mess, okay? All right, and then there's my canner, ready to go. And my water bottle, which I need some water desperately today. And here's my finished applesauce project. I ended up with 5 pints. And oh my God, my whole house smells like Christmas with the cinnamon and the apples. It's just wonderful. Okie doke, come and let these dry. Everything's sealed up. I love 4 jars lids. They never fail me. Never, ever, ever. Okay, I'm done for the day. All right, we are done. And if you are new to my channel, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by and spending a few minutes of your time with me today. And if you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to my channel. Hit that thumbs up button so YouTube will know that you enjoyed my video, and hit the notification bell. That way you'll be notified when I upload a new video. And I promise you I will be back soon as I can get my tooth fixed, because it is driving me absolutely insane. So you guys stay safe out there, keep your spirits up, have a wonderful holiday, and I will see you soon.